Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to an update on JASMY. For the past several days, the price of JASMY is still moving at the support of this channel. Recently, we had a bounce from the support here on 11th of March 2025, but the price could not break out this resistance zone. That starts from 1.2 cents and goes to 1.5 cents. Therefore, after the rejection, the price is once again dropped down at the support and now it is again gearing up. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone from 1.5 to 1.2 to 1.5 cents has been previously working as a very strong support zone for several weeks or months, and before that was working as a resistance zone here and support zone here. Therefore, now again it is working as a strong resistance for the price line of JASMY. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for TRX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 25th of March 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup. It binds on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this down channel. And while moving inside this channel, we broke down this very long-term up trend line support and also broke down this very long-term support zone from 1.5 to 1.2 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this up trend line support was coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, few more touch points here, then we had another very powerful pump, then we had another bounce here, and now after this breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame, then you can see that for several days, the price has been trying to break out this up trend line as a resistance but could not break it out, and then we had a big drop, and now we have also broken down this long-term support zone as well. And this support zone has been previously working as support zone for several months, and resistance here and support here, and now again it is flipped into a resistance. You can see that after the breakdown, the price line tried to break it out once again but could not break out and again drop down. Therefore, in order to break out the channel first, we will need to, but almost at the same level, we will need to break out this resistance on as well. And once JASMY will be able to break out this channel, then technical target will be here for this breakout at the top of the channel, approximately at 5 cents. And by the way, from 5 to 6.1 cents, we also have another very long-term resistance on that was recently working as a resistance on here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as a resistance on here and support on here in the month of December 2021 as well. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very powerful and massive rally. But so far, the price of JASMY could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.